Okay, Anthony F. here, Mobile Tech Heat. Interestingly enough, while watching one of my favorite K-dramas, I noticed that the waitress was using her Android to take the menu, take the person's order, and also charge the user, or rather the customer. So what they used was PIGcounter.
Welcome to Mobile Tech Heat. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.
PIGcounter is a POS, a point of sales app, and it's really cool. It's really cool. It takes Square to the next level. When we think of Square, Square was created so that it would take payments for an independent contractor, you have your own business, things like that. Even for stores, I believe Apple uses the iPads and Square. So you make a purchase at Apple and you slide your credit card across their app there on the iPad, and there you have it. I believe they're using Square. But PIGcounter takes it one step further where you can actually place the order from the application. And then later, you can even charge. So we'll take a look at it real quick right here. And here is a kind of a customizable section according to the numbers here, T1, T3, T12. You can put the price there and the inventory amount. You could make the table here. Okay, so it's coming together now. So say you're a waiter or waitress and you're taking count here of your tables who you're waiting on. And here are the table numbers, table 12, table 10, table 20. How many people are there in their orders or their totals. So here we have a table, T15, 3 guests. That's cool. So this not only takes account of the menus, the orders taken, but also the population of your restaurant, place of business. I like that. So you can change there. Coke there is number 2, Sprite's number 2. Different languages. Funny enough, I first saw this app in a Korean TV show. So there's all the multiple languages there that it provides. You can place an order. Let's go back here. You can place orders, cancel orders, you can pay. Here are some more item settings you can create. Very, very good. Kitchen monitor to see what supplies you have in the back. What's going on. Table 20 here on the bottom. Fried rice, lasagna, and some pasta, 111. Kitchen monitor. And then you could ring it up. Total amount, pay amount. Not sure why the total amount's cheaper than the pay amount. I'm with that. Order the items, the time, price off, or give them a discount. Very nice. So you can actually add coupons. Pay the amount on a card and cash. Wow. It breaks it down. So here's a picture of it there on Android, sitting there on a little tablet there on a stand. You can keep count of your tables and what they ordered. That's pretty impressive. So it's called PIGcounter. The icon is like a pig nose, funny. I'm assuming PIG means something. Program, integration, don't know what the G is. Figuring that out. POS means point of sales. Most of us in the tech business know what that is because we're used to fixing those devices. Most cash registers nowadays are just basically Windows computers embedded with a application or program that starts up automatically. So that's how that goes. Also here, what they added is a lone touch to change the item category. Very good. Employee management. So you can punch in and punch out from the app. I like that. I'm not sure if I like that because you could be running late. You could be on the block of the restaurant. You could punch in. So they might have a set time going on, or maybe you can only use the application while you're in the store. Perhaps it's just the store's devices the restaurant devices, the place of business devices that has the app included. So once you run in, you throw your apron on, you grab the device, then you punch in. I like that. Customer relationship management, little CRM going on too. Not sure how that goes, but I like that it's there. So without buying expensive POS systems, restaurant owners and other retail owners may use PIGcounter. Not only PIGcounter can be used independently, it can be shared by coworkers by just logging in with the same ID. Multi-users function is done by the cloud, and data is safely stored in the cloud. PIGcounter has all the functions that one may expect from full PC-based POS system and more. So I'm not sure if you could just slap the app on your device and get to work, or if you have to call them up and they can arrange, maybe perhaps put a server in your room, or if you have a server at your place of business, can you integrate that? Or is it fully just up in their cloud? Don't know. It's free for now. So I think it's great for the retail stores, not so great for this company here. I don't know if they just started and they're being really nice. They might have a freemium where it's free for the basic, and if you want even more, there's a price for it. That happens sometimes. So we're going to show real quick what it looks like. So if you look on the top left here of the screen, you'll see in the episode of the waitress with the Android device. They have that square-like kind of instrument that's stuck inside the sound there, and they're giving the menu, showing the menu there, and then also they're taking the payment. They're swiping the card across that device that's kind of like square. I'm not sure if it is. It's black. I don't know. Square is white. But it's cool. It's cool. It shows the potential of what's going on, what you can do with Android, what you can do with any mobile device, how restaurants and retail people can leverage the technology that is out there. I like that. Any questions or comments? Leave them in the comments there on YouTube. Let me know if you have even more information about this or if you have used it. All right. So this is Anthony F here, Mobile Tech Heat. Taking a look at PIGcounter, POS point of sales app. Bye bye.